Les toilettes, ça arrête pas de monter, j'en peux plus. Oh!
YouTuber and influencer Cyril Schrenier from France accidentally blocked his entire neighborhood's drain system after he filled a bathtub with Orbeez. But he didn't just fill the bathtub with Orbeez, he pulled the plug on the bathtub filled with Orbeez. Welcome back to another episode of How Not to Go Viral. I mean InformOverload. On this channel we talk about trending topics. I'm Charlotte Dobre, self-proclaimed trendsetter, talker, potato queen, and very serious journalist. From here up. Subscribe and follow us on social media so people think we're relevant. Alright, so let's talk about Cyril Schrenier. I think that's how I say his name. So he's not ever allowed to go near an Orbeez again. Not a single Orbeez. If you don't know what Orbeez are, they're these little jelly bead things that are actually quite small, but they expand in water. They grow to 100 times their original size when they're submerged in water. A type of Orbeez are actually used in baby diapers to keep them dry. Orbeez are super popular with content creators nowadays. Lots of YouTubers fill pools with them, that kind of stuff. So Cyril filled his bathtub with Orbeez for a YouTube video. He also poured the entire friggin' pack of Orbeez into the bath water, which is already mistake number one. Those things are small when they're in the packet, but they're gonna expand. So when he was finished filming the video, he didn't know what to do with the Orbeez, so he pulled the plug on the bathtub, which is like, why did you do that? Scoop the Orbeez up and put them in a garbage bag, don't put them down the drain. I'm furious about these Orbeez. Okay, so the Orbeez kept expanding, filling the pipes, which led to the toilet and the sink. So then the toilet and the sink started filling up with Orbeez. But wait, it doesn't end there. No, it doesn't. Cyril makes it worse by flushing the toilet. Yes, my friends, he flushed the toilet. The clogged toilet. How to be an adult 101, do not flush a clogged toilet or your bathroom will fill up with shit. He flushes the clogged Orbeez toilet and the toilet starts overflowing. The Orbeez blocked the entire neighborhood's drainage system, likely causing thousands of dollars in damage, and now the mayor of his city is looking for him. But wait! It gets worse. So because the video was in French, I couldn't really understand what was going on, but one Twitter user who translated posted what was said in the video online. In addition to pulling the plug on the toilet, he tried to get rid of the Orbeez by vacuuming them up. His Hoover caught fire when he tried to hoover them up. Then he found out the Orbeez invaded the entire sewer system in his neighborhood. The Orbeez actually blocked the entire water system in his neighborhood, and he received a letter from the town hall saying cops are searching for the culprit. Someone suggested to use salt and it actually worked until poop started flooding not only his house but the neighborhood too. There are genuine tears streaming down my face at this point. The good news here is Orbeez are non-toxic and biodegradable, so they aren't too bad for the environment. You can also use an acid-based drain cleaner to dissolve them, like before you put that stuff down the drain. Apparently this is just what someone said on Twitter, I'm not really sure if I need to confirm that. But you should never ever flush Orbeez down the drain because they expand in the pipes, anything with water. So they just clog entire pipe systems and apparently in this case sewer systems. It's happened, guys, I have officially seen it all. Does anyone else wonder if the Orbeez can also absorb like poop water, or if it like separates the poop from the water? Like were they poop filled Orbeez? Sorry, I'm talking about poop Orbeez. I'm just genuinely curious. Let me know in the comments. Let's wrap this one up with some common features, shall we? I'll stop you there, Charlotte. Stop talking. Zamira McConnell said, I was vacuuming a bug up while watching this. At least you weren't vacuuming a bunch of Orbeez. Also, that's mean. Just like put it in a cup and take it outside. Elizabeth said, I love it when you hosts always get a little overexcited when it's you. Demonic Angel said, damn Charlotte, didn't you wear that the other day? If I'm wearing the same outfit in more than one video, it means the videos are filmed on the same day. I filmed like 4 videos in one day. Sometimes we push stories back if there's more pressing news to cover, and then we'll just like put up a video later. Yeah. Alright, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want more. I'll see you guys next time. The Orbeez are like coming out of the toilet and he's like, ah! He screams like more high pitched than me. I can't even scream that high. Ah! Like that's as high as I can scream.